How you can borrow $200 from Cash App. In this video, I'll show exactly how you can do it. So, let's get started. Cash App has a feature called Borrow. This lets some people get a small loan right inside the app. The loan can be between $20 and $200. It's made to help you if you need quick money for a short time. So, open your Cash App and look for the option called Borrow. If you see it, great. That means you can use it. If not, then this feature might not be ready for your account yet. Now, if this is your first time using it, tap on Borrow and then tap Unlock. Cash App will ask to link your bank account. It also checks if you can get the loan. Then choose how much money you want to borrow. You can pick from $20 to $200. How much you can borrow depends on how you use Cash App. After that, think about how you will pay it back. You'll see different payment plans. Some let you pay in 1 week and some in 4 weeks. Each one will show how much total you will pay, including fees. Be sure to read everything about the loan and fees before you accept. Once you agree, the money goes right into your Cash App balance. You can use it right away. Just remember, if you pay late, you might get extra fees. So it's important to follow the plan, and that's it. That's how you can borrow $200 from Cash App.